Find or read reviews that people are talking about KARHDIR 52-inch toe behind lawn sweeper. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 52-inch sweeping width. The extra-wide 52-inch design maximizes coverage in a single pass, perfectly tailored for open areas like yards, lawns, and driveways. Efficiently collects leaves, pine needles, and weeds, saving 60% more cleaning time. 26 cubic feet large capacity collection. The lawn leaf collector equipped with 26 cubic feet high capacity collection effortlessly holds 26 cubic feet of leaves, weeds, and twigs. The convenient pull rope dumping system lets you empty debris without leaving your tractor seat, saving both time and effort. Adjustable brush height system. The height adjustable helical brush automatically adapts to all lawn conditions: short grass, overgrown turf, or uneven terrain, delivering thorough cleaning while protecting your lawn from damage. Folding design. This grass clipping collector features vertical folding capability, collapsing into a compact standing position when not in use. Easily reduce its footprint for storage and transport, fits effortlessly in SUV/truck beds. Easy operation. Connect grass sweeper to your lawn tractor, UTV, or ATV. Let the high-torque turbo brush do the work. Instantly clearing leaves, grass clippings, and debris with powerful efficiency. Keep your yard, lawn, garden, or driveway clean with effortless. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.